Welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to potentially save money off buying expensive camera lenses. Now, camera lenses normally come in three flavors. They're the entry level, like your kit lenses and some third-party lenses. Then you have the hobbyist enthusiast lens that kind of fit in between the pro and the entry level. They're a little bit cheaper, not to the same build quality as some of the pro lenses, but still give fantastic results. And then you have the pro glass that is just build quality and optics are of the highest standard. Unfortunately, they cost the most. So before you click off this video because you think this is some kind of scam or you need a voucher or I'm going to send you to some dodgy website to buy expensive lenses, it's not quite as it seems. Let me explain. Now, if I use this lens here, the 18-105 Sony G lens, the images that I get from it come up a little bit soft. This is a hobbyist enthusiast grade lens. It's not going to be as sharp as what you would expect from a professional lens. Now, I have two choices with this. I either sell it or I keep it and make do with the softer images that this produces. Now, this costs about £500. Now, if I go for the pro version of this lens, you're looking about 3 times the price of that, £1,500. Now, with that £1,500, I'm going to get absolutely razor sharp imagery. But how can I use this lens and get equally good results as that £1,500 lens? Well, that's where I'm going to save you money. I can get exactly the same result sharpness from this £500 lens as I can potentially from a £1,500 lens. Let me show you right now. Okay, so we're in Photoshop now, and this image you're seeing on the screen right now was taken with a professional grade £1,500 lens. It's sharp as anything, and it's something that you really want in your images. It's pucker, it's sharp and crisp all throughout the image. Now, if I was to take this shot with the 18-105 £500 Sony lens, this would obviously be a lot softer. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate this by adding some blur to our image, and then I'm going to show you how you can replicate going from a £500 lens to a £1,500 lens without having to buy that additional lens. Let me show you how we do it. So let's first off just apply some blur. We'll give it some garrison blur. Now, at the minute we're at 4. Now, that's probably a little bit too strong for what this lens is. It'll probably be around maybe 1.5. Something like that. That replicates what this £500 lens would do. Now, we're going to test this to the max and show you what it's all about. I'm going to raise this. I'm going to go all the way up to 5. That image now, hopefully you can see, is massively blurred and not usable. This would be like the world's worst lens. But now I'm going to show you the secret of how you can save money. Okay, so we've opened up the image in Topazlabs Sharpen Ai, and here it is. It's exactly the same, very blurry. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to show you how we recover that image. Very out of focus, blurry image. Imagine this is being taken on a very, very cheap lens, and we're going to make it look like a professional grade lens. Now, all we do is go to the side here, click out of focus, very blurry, and we've got sliders here to suppress the noise and remove blur. So all you do is wait down here at the bottom till it's updated and have a look at this sharpness as we slide the slider across. And there we go. It's absolutely incredible. Hopefully YouTube is doing this justice, but this program is just phenomenal. I don't know how it works. Whatever they've packed into this program is just incredible. We can reduce, make it fit to this screen, and we'll have a proper look at it. So there's the before and there's the after. Okay, so I've just loaded up a second image now into Sharpen AI. It looks like we misfocused here. So this is kind of replicating what a cheaper lens may do. Let's see, I've gone to out of focus, very blurry, and we've let it update here in the bottom. Now as I move this slider across, we're going to see if this really can pull back this image. Let's have a look. And oh my god, this is absolutely incredible. How this has done this, I have no idea. Now, like I said, this video isn't sponsored by Sharpen AI or Topazlabs. It just comes highly recommended by myself. If you're thinking about upgrading lenses because they're a little bit soft and you're not happy with the quality of the optics, seriously consider buying this program. I know they do a free trial anyway, but hopefully you can see that on your screen. And YouTube ain't compressing it too much. It really is such a phenomenal program. Now I believe they do a free trial, so I'll leave a link to the free trial in the pinned comment. Leave me a comment what you think to it. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see further videos from myself, hit that subscribe button. But for now, that's it. We'll catch up in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.